Hello po mga Lods, we're here for another vlog. So, date po ngayon is July 24, 2025 and time po is 9:52 p.m. And i-update po natin po ngayon si Bagyong Emong na may international name mo na si Komay at saka po si Bagyong Dante po na may international name po na Francisco. I-update po natin po yung isa pong bagyo na si Crossa, which is sa labas po ng Philippine Area of Responsibility po. And as you can see po na by tomorrow nakalabas na po si Emong ng around a few hundred kilometers away from Basco and Itbayat, Batanes po. And as you can see din, by tomorrow also, remnant low na rin po si Dante. And also, si Crossa nandito rin po, malapit po dito sa Northern Mariana Islands, which is now tropical depression, and by today na po na already tropical storm na po siya. So ingat po mga Lods, goodbye.